Hi, back again with me, Cyberdudes. Thank you so much for watching my video again. So, ngayon, ang i-share ko sa inyo or i-discuss natin is how to convert text into speech or text into human voice. So, hindi natin patatagalin. So, let's move na lang tayo. Ito. So, first is we gonna download. I just download this muna. Yan. Ito yung software. Basta ito yung logo. Ito yung icon niya. Yung name is Balabolka. Yan. Yan. Walang iba. Yan. Ito na lang. Kasi, bakit Balabolka? Itong software, free kasi. Free. And then, simple. Madali lang gamitin. And then, pag-download nyo, pag-install nyo, pwede gamitin kahit naka-offline. Hindi kailangan naka-online eh. So, para sa akin, itong software is very good and thankful ako sa gumawa nito kasi free. Yan. So, let's try na lang. Let's try sa ating gagawin ngayon. Ito. So guys, usually ginagamit ito sa mga YouTuber. Yan, ayaw yung YouTuber na ayaw mag speak like me ngayon. So, ginagawa nila is sumulat ng script and then yung script nilagay na lang dito and then pag-record nila, yun, may voice from text into speech or from text into human voice. So, let's try na lang. Ito, ganito yung appearance ng software na to. And then, dito, yung field nito is dito ka magsusulat ng script mo or text message mo. Yan. So, let's create some text here. Okay. So, and then, ayan. Let's try ito muna. So, after this, may play button dito. Ayan. May play button dito. So, ang gawin nyo is just click this one.
Hi, my name is Cyberdud. How are you?
Okay. So, it's a male voice. So, si David. Si David. Yan. David yung name niya dito. So, try natin yung girl naman. Dito. Yun o. Saira. Yan. Let's try.
Hi, my name is Cyberdud. How are you?
Ayan. So, may text kayo, lagay nyo lang dito, or script kayo, ilagay nyo lang dito, and then, yung software na yung generate to human voice. So guys, after this, you can save it. Yan, may save naman dito. Then, ayan, basta, i-explore nyo na lang dito. Explore nyo lang dito ha, sa mga tools, ano ba yan, view, ayan. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, just comment below.